What's wrong? Hey, are you okay? Are you okay?
You know, it's not normal for an adult to suddenly collapse, but it is normal to be surprised when you see it happen. It might take a moment before you realize what is really going on, but once you do, it is important to act fast. Don't worry, though. Helping an adult who has suddenly collapsed is easier than you might think. Just use hands-only CPR. You probably already know the 2 steps required. Send someone to call 911 or call 911 yourself. Then push hard and fast in the middle of the chest. Let's hope you never have to use hands-only CPR. But when an adult suddenly collapses, don't be afraid to try it. Call 911, then push hard and fast in the middle of the chest. Your actions can only make things better. Hands-only CPR is recommended for use on adults who suddenly collapse. To learn how to help people with other medical emergencies, including children, contact the American Heart Association. AmericanHeart.org/CPR.